guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can color correct your photos on CapCut browser. So go to Magic Tools here and select AI color corrector and select correct. You can only do images, I think, and you only can do like 100 images per month. So I'm just going to try the following here, or you can upload or drag and drop a file here. So I'm just going to, for instance, select this one, and it's going to generate, it's going to color correct it for you, basically. And you'll have like these levels that you can choose from. There's level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4 of color correcting. Sorry. And once you're done, you can just download the image here, but I'm not going to do that. And here you can even replace the image, I think. But that's basically it, really. Here you can see the original before and after thing. It just gives a more vibrant color, I guess. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!